How to fix KB5068861 0x800f0991 0x800f0983 error codes in Windows 11 25H2. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix these error codes that appears when you try to install November 2025 security update. Click on Start, select Settings, go to System, scroll down, click on Recovery. This is Fix Problems using Windows Update. For this option, click on Reinstall Now. Click on OK. After clicking on OK, a repair version of Windows 11 25H2 will be downloaded here. Let the download complete. After completion, Restart Now button will appear here. Click on the Restart Now button. Your computer will restart a few times and the version will be installed. After that, try to install the update. If the issue still persists, you will have to perform in-place upgrade. To perform in-place upgrade, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download and press enter. Click on this link which says download Windows 11. Once this page is loaded, go to the download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices section and click on this drop down which says select download. Select this option. In the particular case, if you have ARM64 based device, click on this link and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 devices, click on confirm. Now you have to choose the language. If you want to check the language of your system, go to Start, Settings, click on Time and Language, Language and Region. Here is Windows Display Language. For me, it is English United States. Check yours and choose the same language here. Click on Choose One and select the language. Click on Confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. Once downloading is completed, go to the download location. For this, click on File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to Downloads, which is usually the download location for users. Right-click on the ISO file and select Mount. On this pop-up, click on Open. Right-click on Setup.exe and click on Open. On the Install Windows 11 window, uncheck this box. Checking this box will take much more time in installation, so uncheck it and click on Next. For applicable notes and license terms, click on Accept. Finally, click on Install. Your computer will restart a few times and the Windows 11 will be installed along with the security update. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.